Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. Right here is a new AI robot quantitative earning website where you earn USD every single day, guys. So this is the account creation phase of this AI robot earning website. So you just click on the link provided in the description box of this video to bring it right here. You just have to enter your email right here, your login password, you enter your security password, my invitation code right here, click on register. Your account will be created successfully, guys. You can register with your phone number by clicking where it says phone register. So once you click right here, enter your phone number right here, your email, your login password, your security password, my invitation code will be right here, and click on register. And I will log in my own account right now and I'll show you guys how to make money using this AI robot quantitative USD earning website. So guys, welcome to the home page of this AI robot USD quantitative earning website. Once you register, you'll be given 6,800 USDT for free. You need to make a deposit of 14 USDT to be qualified for the VIP 1. So there are many other VIP levels to unlock right here, boy. The lowest one is the one of 14 USD. So before I show you guys these VIP levels, let's come on recharge and I will show you guys how to recharge on this website for you to be qualified for VIP 1. So to recharge, you click on where it says recharge right here. So once you click right here, you select the recharge network in which you have, whether it's TRX, USDT TRC20 or BEP20 or BNB. So depending on the one you have, so click on USDT TRC20. So clicking right here to load this recharge details right here for you, you need to select this one which says quantitative account. So let's allow it to load effectively. Selecting this one which says quantitative account, to just scroll down right here, you can see this QR code will be generated for you and an address. Just copy here and you pay to the USDT 20 address 14 USD. Once you are done, you come back and click on recharge complete and your recharge will be successful, guys. So that is how to recharge on this website. So right now I will go and show you guys all the respective VIP levels right here and their particular earning rate, guys. So clicking on the quantify right here, we'll just go to the quantify page where you can see all the respective VIP levels. I will explain to you how you can earn with different VIP levels here on this website. So guys, right here on the quantify page, once you have deposited successfully, your recharge will become successfully, and you see your VIP level will be upgraded automatically. You can see currently I'm on VIP 1 and I deposited 14 USD. It will last for 180 days. And you can see the VIP 1 which I am currently on, I deposited 14 USD. You need to make a deposit of 14 USD and you'll be earning 15% of your deposit amount. You'll be quantifying once a day and it will last for 180 days, guys. So you can see the VIP 2 right here. You need to make a deposit of 100 USD. You'll be getting 15.8% of your deposit amount. It will last for 180 days as well, guys. So you can see the VIP 3 right here, which you get at a rate of 600 USD, be earning 16.18% of your deposit amount every single day. And it will last for 180 days as well. As for the VIP 4, you be depositing 1,600 USD, be earning 16.98 USD every single day. It will last for 180 days. So there are many VIP levels right here. You choose any one of your choice and you go for it. As for me, I am going for the VIP 1. I've already shown you guys how to recharge right here. After you must have recharged successfully and you come on the quantify button and you see this particular current quantitative account. So you just have to come right here and see where it says start quantify. So to perform your daily task. So clicking on start quantify right here, your AI robot will quantify for you, give you your reward for the day, and you can be able to withdraw it straight to your preferred wallet, guys. So let's allow my AI robot to quantify for me and give me my earnings for today, guys. So once you just make a recharge every single day, you come right here and quantify to get your reward, guys. As simple as that. All you have to do, just register, recharge, and boom, you're good to go. So you can see our AI has quantified and given us 2.082 USD. So we'll just cancel right there and go to my main icon right here. Going right here, you see that the reward has been reflected successfully, guys. So we'll just come another next 24 hours and we'll click on start quantify to get another reward, guys. So that is how It works so simple and straightforward. You can see my total revenue for today. $2.08 has been added on my balance, guys, for today's, and you can see it right here. So that is how to earn here, as simple as that. So before we withdraw, I will click on this invite friends. Clicking on the invite friends, they will provide you with your referral link. All you have to do, just copy it. You can see it as right here. Copy your referral link, share it to your family and friends, and once they register using your referral link and they recharge, you're going to be earning massively for referring them to this website. You're going to get 12% for the first level referral, 3% for the second level referral, and 2% for the third level referral. So let's head over to the main page right here and withdraw my earnings straight to my Bybit account. So let's scroll and click where it says withdraw. So clicking on withdraw right here, the withdrawal page will be unlocked for us right here, and the withdrawable amount will be shown here as respectively. So here there are two payment methods. You can decide to withdraw using USDT 𝗟𝗢𝗡 or USD BEP20. So as for me, I choose to use USD BEP20. So here you just enter the amount into what to withdraw. So we have about 2.02 0.0827 USDT. So all we do, we just paste my USD BEP20 address right here. Doing that, we scroll down, we enter my security password and confirm. We enter my security password right here, which is personal. So lastly, I will just click on confirm withdraw. So clicking on confirm withdraw, okay, enter contact information. That is my Telegram username. So guys, we can see right here that the withdrawal is successful, guys. You can see we have zero balance right here to show you that we have successfully withdrawn 2.082 USD to my Bybit account, guys. So let's wait for a while and check whether this payment has been reflected successfully or not, guys. So guys, we just received an email from Bybit right here which says deposit confirmation. So let's click on the email right here and confirm this email sent from us from Bybit. So guys, you can see this message which says deposit confirmation is a message sent to me from Bybit which says, "Dear valid Bybit trader, your deposit has been confirmed. Deposit amount 2.0827 USD, chain type BEP20, and you can see my address right here." So to show that the payment has been received successfully, guys. So if you want to follow me and earn on this AI robot USDT website, just register an account for yourself and boom, you start earning USD every single day, guys, after you must have recharged. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. Please stay tuned to my YouTube channel for more latest content. See you guys in my next video.